Absolutely. And why did President Trump make that decision yesterday to leave the World Health Organization? What are the consequences, if any, of this?
That feud goes all the way back to COVID pandemic. President Trump has been skeptical of global organizations where he feels as though the U.S. may be overpaying for something and not getting as much in return. This is a big international story this morning. The World Health Organization out with a statement saying they hope that the U.S. reconsiders this. There is a question of, does Congress have to play a role here in official leaving the WHO? The World Health Organization says that Americans have benefited through the relationship between the two for years. It helped eradicate infectious diseases such as smallpox, brought elimination of polio to the brink of extinction. In theory, according to the New York Times, the U.S. not having access to the WHO global health data anymore would be significant for the CDC, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. For instance, China reports health numbers to the WHO, not to the CDC, and then the CDC can get that. So this could potentially impact the next time that there's a global pandemic here. But again, really not much of a surprise in the sense that this has been a long time, something that President Trump has talked about for a long time, is frustration with some of these global organizations like the World Health Organization. What a consequential day one of the Trump presidency. We probably needed a 30-minute segment, not a 3-minute segment today to get it all in.
There's so much to dig into. Thank you, Joe.